We're out at Ken's Lake today in San Juan County, Utah. And I just came up this road here. It's high clearance recommended, and my vehicle is definitely not high clearance. I need to get a higher clearance vehicle. Wow. Look at that. That's all just going from the mountains up there into Ken's Lake, which is a reservoir. So we just came up the hill and I could hear the waterfall, and you can see it. Gotta remember to hydrate in the desert. I've got a Ford Escape. It could have made it, except for maybe some of the spots with the really deep sand. So, like, when in doubt, just park and walk it. And we're back at the car. I had the foresight a few minutes ago to turn my vehicle on with the remote start. So hopefully it's nice and cool in there. We shall see. Fun hike, nice and wet.